guys, Jasmine here from Boyer Ford and Isuzu in Minneapolis, Minnesota. I'm showing you a customer's truck before it goes off for accessory install. This is a 2022 Ford F350 Crew Cab 4x4. So this truck was ordered with the XLT package, the Chrome package, and the FX4 off-road package. So that enhances some of the technology and styling features of this truck. So the truck is leaving very soon to get the underbody coating protection, the fifth wheel prep package, the puck system, and the spray and bed liner. So I will make another video after that so you can see what it looks like. We may have limited inventory, but we do have trucks on the lot. So if there's anything in specific that you guys would like to see that I could make a video on, let me know. Leave a comment below and I will do my best to respond.